Another service is HTTP or the Apache service. This is very useful while we are doing penetration testing, especially if you need to host like a fake website on your Kali Linux so victim will connect to it, and different kind of attack. Now, how can we start this services? First, let's see that the services, let's make sure that the service is not running. So we can do that in different way. I can check, try to browse the local website 27.0.0.1, which is the local IP of this machine, and see if it show anything before starting the service or not. So 127.0.0.1, this is the local IP, the Kali Linux IP. And as you can see, he are saying that nothing to be browsed here. This is not a web server. Now let me start the web server. Services Apache to start. I think there is like spelling mistake. Apache to start. And if we now check locally or from any other computer, as you can see, he opened a web page. That means this server or this computer, the Kali Linux computer now, is acting as a web server. I can host a fake web page or a fake Gmail page or a fake website and add a payload inside or a malicious code, and people will be able to browse from this website. Now, another way for verifying, like the previous way, we can type netstate minus ANTP, and don't forget to pipe the output. So we type the sign, which is piping. Here you go. And then grep Apache. And we'll see if netstate. The good thing about Kali Linux that it show you the error, it's inside the command itself, or sorry about that, inside the syntax netstate. Here you go. And as you can see, Apache server is running on port 80 and is accepting connection. So now my computer acts as a web server. So this is another service that we will be using during the penetration testing. And definitely to stop it, don't forget the same way. And instead of start, we're going to type stop. And we're going to make sure that the service is not netstate. It's not running. By the way, if you are not using the service, it's better to disable it because it's unsecure. I mean, it's not right to keep all the services running. You can get compromised yourself. So usually, if you're going to use a service, start the service, use the service, and then shut down the service. Do not keep unused services running because this represents a threat to your computer.